Doubting Thomas. Doubting Thomas. It can also be said as wavering Thomas, unbelieving Thomas. It's an idiom. It means a skeptic. That is, a person who demands proof before he believes or accepts anything. In simple words, a habitually doubtful person. If you express doubt about anything, you are really a doubting Thomas. Let's see it in the examples. The first one, he is such a doubting Thomas that he won't believe unless he sees things through his eyes. So he will never believe when you tell something. He has to see and he has to believe. That's the reason he is such a doubting Thomas. He won't believe very easily. Second one, she kept trying, hoping to prove all those doubting Thomases wrong. So everybody started doubting her capabilities. But she tried and finally successful. So she proved all those doubting Thomases wrong. Third one, Balakrishna is a real doubting Thomas. He wouldn't believe that the new house was mine till I showed him the documents. Balakrishna never believed when I told him that I bought a house. And finally he saw my documents and believed. So he is real doubting Thomas. Fourth one, he is a real doubting Thomas. He simply wouldn't believe I had won the car until he saw it with his own eyes. So when I told him that I had won the car, he never believed. But later I showed him the car and he had to believe it. So he is a real doubting Thomas. Fifth one, I am willing to approve the project provided you win over Rani, the doubting Thomas in our department. Rani in our department never believes anything, and finally she is a doubting Thomas in our department. So when we look at the origin of this idiom doubting Thomas, it is taken from the Bible. The story is when Saint Thomas was informed that Christ had risen from the dead, he refused to believe it. He demanded physical proof of Jesus' resurrection. Only when he saw Jesus with his own eyes and touched his wounds did he believe the others. According to scholars, the expression began to be used in the late 19th century. The earlier expressions that were commonly used were wavering Thomas and unbelieving Thomas. Wavering Thomas and unbelieving Thomas. So finally, doubting Thomas is nothing but a skeptic, a person who doesn't believe anything without proofs.